To make delicious mashed potatoes, firstly take 4 potatoes and boil them until they are thoroughly cooked. Next, cut them into cubes and place the pan on the stove. Then add in around 1/3 cup of milk. Next, add in salt according to your taste and a pinch of black pepper. After that, we'll be adding around 50 grams or half a cup of unsalted butter. Then while the potatoes are cooking on medium to low heat, mash them in the pan. Mash the potatoes until no lumps are left and everything is well combined. Here you can see the potatoes have formed a paste-like consistency. Now I'll be adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking cream. Combine the cream really well in the potatoes so that it forms a smooth paste. The cream will help make the potatoes more fluffy and creamy. Set the potatoes into the dish and flatten the top. After we've set the top and flattened it, we'll then garnish it with black pepper and butter. Our potatoes will then be ready to eat. If you do try my recipe, make sure to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.